Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe De Grill. Join us in this fun outdoor cooking video while we make s'mores pudgy pies.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe De Grill Camping Edition. We're making pudgy pies tonight and we're doing dessert. Check this out. So if you haven't seen one of these, we call these pudgy pie makers, camp sandwich maker. It's just cast iron. This one's brand new. Still even has the recipe book in there. We're not going to use any of those recipes tonight. We're going to make a s'mores sandwich on the campfire. So you get your pudgy pie maker, right? This one we're going to season up later. We've got a graham cracker. We've got our bread, 2 pieces. And we've got a marshmallow, and you're going to grab a piece of chocolate. We're not trying to win any awards for prettiness, but, one of these 3-section pieces of chocolate from a Hershey's candy bar. The key to making a successful pudgy pie is butter, right? I'm not kidding. You want to butter your bread. I'll butter your bread.
I feel like that's the key to a lot of our recipes.
It is, yeah.
Butter.
So we're going to butter one side of each piece of bread. Make sure you get it all over. You want to get everything, because otherwise, the part that you don't get butter on, that's what's going to stick. Guaranteed. Okay. So we're going to start out with 1 piece of bread. We're going to do 1 graham cracker. We're going to do marshmallow. We're going to do the chocolate and the other piece of bread. Put that together, close it up, put the lock across there. Then bring it over to your fire. And my, what do you call it, a sous chef? My sous chef, Brian, has helped me out to create a little oven in the fire. And that's where we're going to try and balance this right there, right over top of that oven. We're going to let that go for, I don't know, about 3 minutes. Turn it over, cook the other side for about another 3 minutes, pull it off and see where we're at. All right, so I've flipped this over a couple of times. You're going to be checking on it every couple of minutes, but look at that.
Ooh.
Yeah. And if you're going to flip it over to check the other side, make sure you close it first. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That is
Done.
awesome. That is great. So, look at that. Oh my, that smells so good. These are hot, so we're going to give these just a minute.
And we have official taste testers.
We have official taste testers. Hunter?
Yes. Unreal.
Pretty good? Smells really good. Oh my. We're going to top this off with some ice cream.
Homemade ice cream.
The homemade ice cream. Oh my goodness. You know,
Does that mean we're good?
it's not very often that he doesn't have anything to say, so that I'm going to take that as a win. There you go. S'mores pudgy pies here at camp. Thank you guys very much for coming with us here at Coupe De Grill to cook the s'mores pudgy pies. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And now I've got it all screwed up.
Okay. It's perfect. It's all screwed up.
Well, the thing wouldn't, do its thing. Wow, the mosquitoes are terrible tonight. And if you want to see more of this with us, check it out. She puts them right there.